Are you locked out of your Yahoo Mail because you forgot your password? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change it and get back in. First, we'll sign in to Yahoo Mail, then click your profile icon, go to Account Info, and navigate to Account Security. Let's start. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is sign in to Yahoo Mail. Even if you can't remember your current password, don't worry, just click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Yahoo will walk you through verifying your identity, usually by sending a code to your recovery email or phone number. I've tested this process myself, and it's pretty straightforward once you have that recovery info handy. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. It's usually your initials or a little avatar photo. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your account settings live, so it's good to get familiar with it. From that drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Account Info. This takes you to the main hub where you can manage everything about your Yahoo account. And here's the really important part. Make sure you're on this page and not some random settings menu. The layout can look a little different depending on whether you're on a phone or a computer, but the option is always there. Now, in your account info, look for the section labeled Account Security. Click on that. This is where Yahoo keeps all the sensitive stuff, your password, your recovery options, and your login activity. It's a good idea to check this section every once in a while, even after today. So now that we've found Account Security, you'll see a list of options. Look for Change Password and click it. This might take a moment to load, so be patient. Yahoo wants to make sure you're really you before making any changes. Alright, here comes the main event. You'll see a field asking you to enter your new password. And I want to pause here for a second because this is where people usually rush and make mistakes. Your new password should be something strong, at least 8 characters, with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use something obvious like your birthday or the word password. I've found that using a phrase you can remember, like "my dog loves 3 walks," works way better than random gibberish. Once you've typed your new password, there's a second field below it labeled Confirm Your New Password. Just type the exact same thing again. This double-check step is Yahoo's way of making sure you didn't accidentally misspell it the first time. If the two don't match, it'll give you an error, so take your time. Then click the Continue or Save button to officially update your password. You'll probably see a quick confirmation message on screen. Don't close your browser just yet. Yahoo will likely ask you to sign in again using your new password. This is normal. It's just Yahoo resetting your session to make sure everything works properly with your new credentials. And that's it. You've gone from being locked out and frustrated to having a fresh, secure password and full access to your Yahoo Mail. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others find it too. And I'll see you in the next one.